Okay, so the thing that was left out was degrees, minutes, seconds. And it's just the conversion factors for them. So 1 minute written, one with a little apostrophe, is 1/60th of a degree. So that's our conversion factor for it. So 1 minute is equal to 1/60 degrees, or 60 minutes is equal to 1 degree. And 1 second written, one with little quotation marks, is 1/60th of a minute, or 1/3600th of a degree. So 1 second is equal to 1/60 minutes, which is equal to 1/360 degrees, or 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, and 3600 seconds is equal to 1 degree. Alright, so convert each angle measure to decimal degrees, if applicable, round to the nearest thousandth of a degree. So number 54, 82 degrees, 30 minutes. So we're going to convert the 30 minutes to degrees. So we are going to divide 30 by 60, which is 0.5. So our new degrees would be 82.5 degrees.
Oh my goodness, my legs hurt. How many examples are we doing today?
I don't know, probably all of them. Like however many are in the section.
7.
130.
What? No, we're already at 54.
Let's see.
Oh, I thought you meant 130 problems.
60. There are 130 problems in the section.
Are we doing all 130?
No, because we're starting at 54.
That's not easy.
Okay.
Probably do like 10.
60, 38, whoa, 38 degrees, 42 minutes, 18 seconds. So we want to convert to degrees, so we divide 42 by 60 and get what that is, and then we divide 18 by 3600.
Big numbers. Or little numbers.
Oh, we can do it in my head,
Okay.
if I can.
You cannot do that in your head.
Do it. Do it.
So the first one is 0.7.
No way. Is that right?
The second one
Is he a human calculator?
uh, 105.
You're missing a 0. 0.005.
It's close.
So what we do when we combine these together is we do 38 point, and then we add those two things together, so 0.705 degrees. Any questions about that?
Well, not right now.
Like, do I need to do any more of them?
No.
Okay.
No.
All right. Find the angle of a least positive measure that is coterminal with each angle. So basically, we're adding 360 until we get one above, or the first positive one that's not the angle we started with, or potentially subtracting. So 78, 86 degrees. We just add 360 to that. So that's 446 degrees.
That's it?
Yep.
I love this.
82, negative 98 degrees. We add 360. 262 degrees. If we have something like 90, it wants the least positive measure. So this one is 699 degrees. So I'm going to subtract 360. Which is 339. And that's the least positive one. If I had something like number 92 though, that's 1000. I would subtract 360, which is 640, but I can still go lower than that, so I'm going to subtract 360 again. Which gives me 280, and since that's less than 360, I know that's the least positive one. Now they have ones that go all the way out to like 8,440 degrees. I'm not gonna have you do those. But if I was gonna do that, I would say multiply 360 by like 10 and then start subtracting off after that. Or subtract that off. Write an expression that generates all coterminal angles with each angle. 104, 225 degrees.
What's 100 days work?
Today.
Kind of.
Today's the 100th day of school.
Oh.
What do you mean, kind of?
Well, I thought it was like, I knew it was one day this week, but I thought each class is celebrating a different day or something.
Well, the elementary's doing it today.
The first grade dressing up like 100-year-olds.
Yeah, there's a bunch
That was
of
like the
little-
people at Gateway the other day.
There's a bunch of old people.
Yeah, so is it different? Is it the 100th day of school different for everyone?
Well, yeah, it's based on when you start school and how many days off you have and whatever. And we get some days off that some places don't, and vice versa. So it just kind of
So we
depends.
got like what, 80 more days?
Well, 80 more school days, but there is 115 days until graduation.
Y'all excited?
I'm so excited. Like, I'm actually so excited.
I'm not sure, but who's changed Morgan Wallen to Morgan Raymond?
What'd you say?
I have no idea. All right, this one.
I want
So-
to get out of here.
To get a general formula for coterminal, that's what I already mentioned up here, plus n times 360, and that is given that n is any integer. That's literally how you do every problem in that section of 8, so anyways.
Wait, so. Is that all you would put for number 104?
Yeah.
Ariel's dumb. She forgot to ask Mrs. Greer if we could take our 15.
We're about to be done, so if y'all want to go now, you can.
Okay, we're probably gonna have to because she forgot to ask.
This section is literally just all the same thing over and
Oh.
over again. I thought there was more to this section, but there's not. So, or at least more relevant stuff rather than doing the same thing 130 times.
Woo.
Um,
Some people just need it.
55,
Oh yes.
59,
That's it.
81, 85, 91, 103, and that's it.